back to Will's Kitchen Table. Good morning, good morning. It's Father's Day, guys. Happy Father's Day to all you guys out there. And today, guys, I'm gonna be making some fried dumplings. And guess who's joining in today, guys? She wants to learn how to make fried dumplings. One of my daughter, guys. I'm gonna bring her in and I'm gonna show her how to make the fried dumplings. Come on over. This is Shalane, my daughter. It's Father's Day. So we're gonna learn how to make fried dumplings. Perfect fried dumplings, all right? So I want you to help me dump these in. That's quarter of a teaspoon of salt going in right there. And I got baking powder. That's 1.5 teaspoons. Dump all of it in. And I got 2 tablespoons of sugar. Dump that in. And we're just gonna mix all this dry stuff together right here with a whisk. All right, beautiful. All right, guys, that's 1 tablespoon of room temperature butter I got right there. Just gonna use my hands. Would you like me to mix it or you want to mix it?
You can mix it.
All right, good. Let's get this butter right in here. And just gonna mix this up. You just use your hands nice and slow and cut the butter all the way into the flour. This is gonna make your dumpling nice and crispy on the outside and soft in the inside. All right. So you're gonna pour that water for me. That's a 1/4 cup of water I got right there. Slowly. All right. Just gonna mix that right in. All right, guys. This is called a perfect fried dumplings, guys. And you don't want to overwork your flour. As soon as it's mixed together, twirl. Guys, see that? It's a perfect measurement. Guys, I'll drop this recipe in the description box. You guys can find it. Use it to make your fried dumpling. And guys, that's it. You don't want to overwork it. Guys, that's how you make a perfect fried dumpling, all right? So guys, I got one here already made up. Because when you make it, guys, you can make it overnight, let it sit for a while. This is only a cup of flour right here, and you can double the recipe or triple if you guys like. All right, we're gonna sit that aside, and this is the one I made before, and it's nice and ready to go. And just gonna take a piece off here, and we're gonna roll our dumplings. All right, guys, don't want to make them too big. All right, you just put it in the palm of your hands like that, and you roll. All right, and guys, that's your fried dumpling right there. It's pretty simple and easy. All right. Beautiful, guys. You'll see this when it goes in the pot. All right, we're gonna get right over there and drop them. Okay, guys, we're gonna get these dumplings in the pot. All right, so my daughter, she's dropping the dumplings, guys. Yeah, you just go right around nice and gentle. You can just pack a lot of them right inside. And guys, this is what I feel for today, my Father's Day, guys. I want to have some fried dumpling, guys. All right, and some codfish. Beautiful, good job. I'll just turn this down. Put it on medium heat right now. So you don't want to burn your dumplings. Beautiful. Guys, isn't this great? She's cooking with me today. Guys, she's not a big fan of the kitchen, but she loves the food. Use your fork so you don't want to break your ackee up. Guys, it's looking lovely. Okay guys, this is my Father's Day breakfast, guys. Take a good look. I got some fried plantain here, some ackee and codfish right there, guys. And I got some nice fried dumplings, guys, that I show you guys how to make these fried dumplings nice and crispy on the outside and nice and soft on the inside, guys. They are so tasty. Guys, thanks for watching. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Thanks for watching again. Like, share this video, guys. Subscribe, share it with your friends. Guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.